Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm Creation. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So friends, today's video is very great designing ideas and today I'm showing a all-day trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish and most demanding article of most stylish crochet crop top design, halter neck top designs. So friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, I will try my best to share all my ideas, so please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. You can get ideas. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous